Here's a GRE probability question. Let's take a look. On a game show, there are 5 doors, 3 of which are winners and 2 of which are losers. In the final round, the contestant must open 3 doors in a row. What is the probability that they will all be winners? Step right up and play. My heart is pounding right now. This is such an intense question. So here's the story. We're talking about probability. And as a very, very brief reminder of what probability is, it's the number of desired outcomes, call that number of desired outcomes, over the number of possible outcomes. So we're talking about an outcome where we're picking 3 doors. How many desired outcomes are there to start? That's the easiest part, right? How many desired outcomes do we have in this case? Well, there's really only one desired outcome because there are 3 doors and we want to pick the 3 winners. So right then and there, I know that the numerator is 1. And that's probably going to eliminate these 3, or rather these 2, right? So I'm down to A, B, and E. I know that the numerator here is 1 because the number of desired outcomes, there's only one desired outcome. Now let's talk about the number of possible outcomes. How many groups of 3 can I choose from 5? I'll repeat the question. How many groups of 3 can I choose from 5? Well, there's a formula for this, and I'll talk about it. But I also want to point out that it's not completely insane to just write them out, right? And I'm not going to do it, but if I called the doors A, B, C, D, and E, right? Let's call them those doors. I could literally write out all the groups, A, B, C, A, B, D, A, B, E, until I had all of them. We'll see it's actually not that much. At the most, we're talking about 10, right? But the formula, if you don't know it already, is the combinations formula, and that's NCR, or N choose R. So I have 5 doors, and I want to choose 3 of them. How many ways can I do that? Well, the formula is n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So that's going to be 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. And when I evaluate this out, this is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 1. And I can simplify this by canceling out the 3 times 2 times 1 and 3 times 2 times 1 on the top. So what I get is 5 times 4 on the top. I know I'm talking really fast here. Over 2 times 1, and that's 20 over 2, or 10. So there are 10 possible outcomes that we could get with these 5 doors. But again, if you just list them all out, that's going to take you, I don't know, 1 to 2 minutes. It's a lot, but it will get you there. Correct answer here is A. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.